Hello, friends. I hope you're in high spirits. Mindfulness and motivation go hand in hand. We've already spoken a lot about strengthening our roots. I told you strengthening roots is very important and it is going to be the stepping stone in shaping your career. In continuation to this, I thought we have to get enlightened about our inner self before we strengthen our roots. So let's very briefly discuss about mindfulness and its benefits that we have for our mind and soul, and eventually how it is going to help in building a positive attitude around you. What is mindfulness about? Is it about our mind full of thoughts? Am I mindful? What is it? The main goal or the major goal of we talking about mindfulness is to wake up to the inner workings of our mental, emotional, and physical processes. It seems to be too very complicated and a lot of words in the definition here, is it not? Our basic human ability is to be fully present. So, wherever we are actually not fully present always. We are not aware of what is happening around us. We may sometimes overly react to what is happening around us, and sometimes we would never react at all. We may be overwhelmed with what is happening around us. We may be extremely excited about a small happiness, or we may be extremely sad and depressed about a small thing that brought you disappointment. That is mindfulness. Your mind, your soul reacting to what is happening around you. Your basic ability should always be to be fully present, aware of your environment, aware of what is happening around you. That is mindfulness. Let's open our mind for new ideas. What are the new ideas I'm talking about? Is it a healthy diet? Do you think so? Maybe. So let's talk about different tasks that actually help me in getting to know about my inner self. So let's talk about the first task for today. I want you to note down all that you feel good about yourself. It may be anything positive, it may be any good thing, maybe something that you're very much capable about, maybe something that you're actually positive about yourself, something that makes you feel good. Take a book, take a favorite color pen, start writing it. Once you finish writing it, every day, just stand in front of the mirror, talk to yourself. It is just positive talking. Talk to yourself. What should you talk? Whatever is being written down in the book, go on repeating it louder. Make sure you're able to understand, you're able to feel what is it that you've written about yourself. Just make sure you're reading every point that is written in the book about yourself. Just observe the changes this brings in your own self. What is it that happens to you after you get to know about your positive attitude? How does it actually help you? How does it heal your mental depression? Or how does it make you more positive? Now, those were the two tasks. I want you to have another task also to be done. Psychologists have proved that various good aromas, it can be a good fragrance, maybe a smell of cinnamon, or it may be smell of a flower, or any natural fragrance that you actually love. This aroma, this fragrance helps in healing mind and soul. It's called aromatherapy. So, what is it that you're supposed to do? Just sit and smell? No, not that simple. Take a piece of cinnamon or a flower or anything that you feel good about. Close your eyes, sit in a calm and quiet place, and smell. Start smelling the object that you've kept in your hand. Close your eyes, stay quiet for at least 5 minutes. While you're closing your eyes and smelling the piece of fragrance, aroma that you're holding in your hand near your nose, start thinking about at least one good memory from your childhood days. Just imagine and picturize the entire scene. Where were you? What were you doing? What made you happy? What made you remember the particular memory even today? Once you're done recollecting your good memory, open your eyes, write it down in a piece of paper. Again, as we discussed in task 1, read it out. Read it louder in front of the mirror. Speak about it to yourself. Whenever you bring awareness to what you're actually directly experiencing through your senses, that is about what's happening in your mind. It may be through your thoughts, feelings, emotions, which are making you mindful. While you concentrate on these emotions, you're actually reconstructing your brain. And research says reconstruction of the brain and the thoughts in the brain are possible. So sit down, take a book, start writing what you feel good about. Speak to yourself every day starting from today. Bring in that positive attitude and let me know if this has brought change in yourself. Take a piece of cinnamon, smell it, bring back the old memories, pen it down again, and let me know if this brought a small change in yourself. Let's be mindful. Let's live the life to the fullest. Let's be aware of our surroundings. Let's be fully present. Saying that, you cannot have a positive life and a negative mind together. That can never happen. For you to have a positive attitude, positive life, the negative thoughts and the negative mind should be changed. So, let's start reconstructing our brain from today with the 3 simple tasks that I have told you. Good day. See you next time.